Welcome to your art gallery. This is where we collect, keep, preserve and display the wonderful Welsh art collection. Let's take a look around and I'll answer some of the questions that visitors often have. Why do we have an art gallery? Most countries have their own art collection and Wales is no exception. We've had the collection here for over 100 years. We look after art that is important to Wales and its people. Some of it is by Welsh artists and some of it is of Wales. Some of the artworks are by world-renowned artists. We're very proud of the collection and we'd like to share it with you. These galleries are for everyone. They are your galleries and everyone is welcome. What type of art is in the galleries? There are lots of different types of paintings here. Some are very old and some are new. Some of them are huge and some are very small. But art isn't just paintings. It can be sculptures, drawings, photographs, objects, anything creative. Who owns the art and where did it all come from? The people of Wales own the art in this gallery. It belongs to you, to everyone in Wales. Sometimes we lend our works to other exhibitions for display and sometimes we borrow works from other galleries. We also buy works of art that are for sale, things that we think are important for Wales and that we would like people to be able to see and enjoy. A lot of the art here has been given to us as a gift to the people of Wales. Two sisters, the Davies sisters, gave us our most precious, valuable and important works of art that we have on display. Who were the Davies sisters? Gwendolyn and Margaret Davies were born in the 1880s. They were the granddaughters of David Davies, a famous Welsh businessman who made a fortune in the coal industry and set up Barry Docks. The Davies sisters loved art, and they thought it was their duty to do something good with the money that they inherited. So they did something amazing. They travelled all over Europe buying up pieces of art and brought them back here and gave them as a gift to the people of Wales. It is thanks to the Davies sisters that we have some of the most beautiful pieces of art by world-famous artists. Van Gogh, Monet, Cézanne, Renoir and Rodin. These pieces of art are priceless and people come from all over the world to see them in your gallery in Wales. We hope that you can visit National Museum Cardiff one day to see all this artwork yourselves. Maybe you'll be inspired to create your own artwork.